Hi there, you're with Hal Van Fab, and today we're going to machine the spoons on a runner for a Turgo impulse turbine. You can buy these, but why would you when you can make them? We'll look at some material and stress calculations, then decide how to machine the spoons in steps. Remember, safety first. For this demonstration, we have used an acetyl homopolymer. It will work well under the load set forth in this design. In the first machine operation, we will put two spoons together face to face and machine the top side as a pair. To speed things up, I'm only showing the left stalk being cut. Yellow depicts the part required. Blue is the stalk that the part will be machined out of. The soft jaws had been machined previously to accept the outside shape from the first operation, when the part was flipped. In this third operation, the part has been saw cut in half. The soft jaws have been machined to accept the outside contour from operation 2. All that's left is facing and hollowing out the spoon. Okay, let's put this thing together. Looks good. We'll see you next time.